Hey guys, so today we got an retro unboxing, which is an iPhone 5. I got it like very cheap deal on muda.my, which the Malaysian of Craigslist, and you guys can see. So this is not the original box that I got it from that seller. So let's just open the box. So I know that the back is silver but the front is black because that seller came with that. So just put this thing up. Can tell that. So most of everything from this box is not from the seller, it's from mine, and this one is the only stuff that came from the seller. And you can see there's some accessories right here. You can see that here's some accessories which not originally came from the iPhone 5. They come from the 6S right here. Just show you guys what it looks like when the accessories inside the box. So you got the 5-volt plug, and most of it, the 5 and the 6S accessory are the same. Got the earpods and got the lightning cable. This is the first iPhone that came with earpods, so I need to keep my stuff right here. You can see, because I want to keep everything in condition. If you guys haven't watched the iPhone 6S unboxing, right here. And yeah, so I need to keep some stuff. I like this iPhone, by the way, and this is one of my favorite iPhone too. So before we just see on the phone, I'm going to show you what I got. I know sadly it's torn, unfortunately. So since I got a Malaysian iPhone box, so this one is a fake one, just put for fun, and it's from a refurbished 5S. This is the original from this box. Just a quick start guide. Even I show you guys, but some of you might know what it say, but most of people don't know because this thing is in Malay language. This one definitely everyone know what it say. So this one is in English. Here you go. One read, just pause the video, like pause the part that you want to read. So I think this one is printed in China. So I'm going to keep this accessories kinda. I'm going to put this all stuff back because you know this thing are getting rare over time. Since this one is 7 years old right now, it's almost 8. Well, and this one came out in 2012. September, and also on September 2012, and released in the same month. So I'm going to turn off my lights, and this screen kind of like acting weird a bit, but still works fine after I turn on the feature. This thing on 10.3.4, I'll show you. I did not sign yet, so general about, you can see so you can see it says 6.1.2 because I want to try to downgrade this to 8.4.1, but trust me, this is on 10.3.4. You can see I got iFolder, and I jailbreak this thing, and then I follow one of the tutorials. So if you guys want to know how to jailbreak, I might make a video soon. So this camera, I'm gonna say it's not bad. If I take a picture of this thing, like, just take a picture of my friend and stuff. Maybe the iPhone up before the iPhone 5, the 4S. So just take a random picture. Hang on. So you can see the back. Yeah, I know this one's cracked, but you can see this one is 3.5 inch, and then this is 4 inch, which kind of big upgrade back in 2012. And good thing, and the interesting is this design is still used on the iPhone SE, and the SE came out in 2016, and SE still got software updates, which is iOS 13. I know my 4S is kind of destroyed. Maybe I can use some of parts on it. Maybe I get a 4S parts one day. The logic was probably dead. So there's only few problems on this thing. Number one, switch. Probably that self I did not notice until I get back. So nothing. And the another problem is battery life. When I plug this iPhone to my laptop and when I open 3utils, when I check the stuff and it say that I need to replace this battery, which I need to replace quite soon because this battery is from 2012. And yeah, so I'm not sure this screen is OEM. I don't think this screen is OEM because you can see the screen right here because there's a dot. That's strange. I have no idea what's that. Maybe it's not OEM. And there's one picture left right here. I think that guy, he said he owned lots of phone and then he tried to sell some. But I think maybe he opened a cell phone shop or maybe something else, but who knows. And I wish I got this thing in slate black because slate black looks kind of all sexy on this thing, but because it looks sexy, but there's one problem, it easily scratch up. But on mine iPhone 5 in silver, the IMEI is matching on this thing. The logic board, you can see, looks so mean. I know some of dents on the bottom, but you can see, dang, like there's no scratches on this thing. I know there's a tiny bit right here, but you can see. If you watch this video in 720p or 1080p, you're going to say it's kind of surprised though. Like, it looks so mint. You see, it's really mint. Even there's a plastic protector which protects the Apple logo. Did not scratch. I think this thing might cost a lot of money. Like, this is kind of worth it. I know I just noticed some scratches. Dang, this thing looks so mint. Inside looks kind of gross though on the headphone jack, cause you know headphone jack is dead. My gosh, it looks kind of disgusting a bit. At least not bad, I could say, but definitely need to spray. I should use something, but looks kind of gross a bit. Why not just clean those? I was watching the camera while doing this. Great. Don't think I can see. I don't think. Is it? Oh. I don't think I should blow this thing because I got this thing on use. I'm not sure what this one went on. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for other videos and peace. The only feature which available on the iPhone 4, 4S, 5, 5S and SE, which is the iPhone could stand. You can see. Yeah. Trust me, this is 4S. A1387. Here we go. You can see it could stand. Yeah. I got feeling that maybe 2020 iPhone could do this again.